What?
What are we gonna eat?
Yep. Aw, Lily, are you singing?
Her name isn't Lily.
Lily Pad?
No, not Lily Pad. No, my name's Lily Pad.
Kate, are you a kitty? You're a grumpy kitty.
So we got them their Halloween costumes early, and now they never want to take them off. They always want to be kitties.
Kate's a grumpy kitty right now. Oh, Lily. Oh, you're a kitty too. And look at her tail sticking out of her booster. Girls, where are we going? Hey, don't roll your eyes at me.
Where are we going? Where are we going?
We're gonna go to the corn maze.
A corn maze.
Are you gonna ride a pony?
Yeah, a real pony?
Nope, there's a man dressed up in a suit.
No, there isn't.
Maybe. Yes, real ponies. It's gonna be so fun.
I love you.
Are you gonna what?
Are we gonna ride on them?
We are.
Hey, so how's your self-made pizza, kiddo?
It's just
How is it?
Good.
How's your pizza, sweetie?
Good.
Was olives yummy? Even though they're like disgusting? Your food.
delicious.
They taste so good.
I got mac and cheese and a pizza. Delicious. Well, here we are. Let's go have some fun. What do you think of the big giant pumpkin right there?
It looks so cool.
You love it? Look how big it is. He's huge. All right, girls, go see the animals. We'll catch up. What do you think about them?
I know, they're so cute with their little tails sticking out of their feet.
Bye. Oh, maybe not. Look at this giant bouncy blob. This is awesome. It's kind of bouncy. Ribbit! Ribbit! Hey, what are you doing? Get up, kiddo. Ribbit! 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 Here's your kitty ears. Hey, hey, sweetheart, come here. All right, girls, time to go try the zip line. You excited? Or are you kind of scared? You're excited? That's my girl. Are you excited? A little bit. A little bit scared. Okay, fair enough. What in the world?
This is hard.
What are you doing? Face planting in the corn? Gross! Hey, get that out of your mouth. That's disgusting. Corn angel time. Oh, time to bury Carter. bury him.
Okay. Oh, his hands are open.
Doing some apple shooting here.
Wait, what?
Squeeze that and it'll shoot.
Did that startle you a little bit?
Another one.
Another one.
I went over the hay.
That's cute.
Okay, let's watch him hit.
Aim down a little bit, kiddo, so you don't go over the hay this time. Girls, what did you find? What did you find? Oh, look at that face. Look at that face. Hey. Should we get some of these girls?
Yeah.
You think they could just hang out in our backyard with the chickens?
I want to ride one.
Look at these little tiny fluffy chickens. Look how little they are, girls. They're so fluffy.
I want to go in there. So cute.
So look, we can go on those horsey rides.
Kind of big. Here we go, here we go. Whee! She thinks she's a cowgirl. Look at her. Hey, she got it, sort of. Hey girls, is it fun? Hey, you want to get out or you want to go again? You want to go again? Alright. What was it? It was fun. Yeah, let's go on the big slide with Carter. Come on. You don't have to go if you don't want to.
Look on the cord. Yeah.
Hey, hurry up and get up. Get up. Oh gosh.
And she doesn't wait for anyone. Here comes Lily. And Mom is going to push Kate down on her head. See how this goes. Hey, it's okay. You were gonna have so much fun on your own. All right, you can sit on my lap. Come here, baby. Go! Poor Carter. This is ready to go. Girls, hi. Hey, kiddo. Hi, sweetheart.
Big girl. Oh, it's just like a
Hey, sweetheart, was that so fun? Well, I think we lucked out for this one because it's just me, my wife, and the girls are nice up
we get some alone.
Girls, are you excited? What's about to happen? Candy cannon!
Let's start the countdown at 10, 9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get it, girls, get it! Get it, Carter! Girls, go back there. There's so much that went back that way. Go, go, go. Come on. Go this way. Run back there. Run, 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 run. Way back there. It's all way back there. Go for it. Look, kiddo, right here. Here's a couple right here. Come here, kiddo. Oh, you're dropping candy. You're dropping candy. Turn around, you dropped another one.
Got it? Okay.
I'm going to get you. No, you're not. You're gonna get my pig. I'll wrap you up. Come on, go. Go, go. You take it. Then wait for me. I'm gonna get ya. Don't get me for my slide. You can't get away from me. You can't get me when I swing on here and anything you can.
Girls,
What, Mom? Well,
there's 2 swings.